It's been 12 days since we've had food.
Step on a crack, break your mama's back.
Shut up, Carl. Carl! See this? This is the plant.
Rick!
You. Carl!
I have a deeper voice than you, Rick.
You eat it, Carl. You eat it, Carl.
Now, people call this the pretzels of nature.
Oh, why?
Yeah. Eat that.
Oh my gosh.
Carl! More nature pretzels. Eat it. Get it, boy. Eat it. Yeah! Nature at its best. Oh, wait, you're actually doing it? Oh. Carl! Nature confetti! Why would someone ruin nature with this travesty?
Excuse me. This road is too long.
Yeah, like my dying stick! Guys, I think I found the wild wildebeest. Oh, gosh! I just found a rattlesnake and now we're running! The road's blocked, and we don't know if there's any more rattlesnakes. We're gonna take it safe. You first! Sir, you can't be hitting doobies that big on the premises!
I dig to differ.
We've reached the end of the road, which means we have to cross the rattlesnake again!
I've never ran.
For the vine. For the vine. Ah! Save us! Save us! Darn it, man. Hey, guys. I've tamed the wildebeest.
Hi, Wildebeest Jones, how are you? Alright, let's go. I found this Turkish hollaback girl rock. It's very rare in the Northern Americans because, you know, it's Turkish, so I'm gonna keep this. Another rarity in the Northern Americans is this long stick you can craft also, so... Good. Got my rock, got my stick. Time to craft. Craft.
What we have here is a Russian potluck dinner.
Wow, I don't know. Whoa! Go check this out! The Pilgrims used to play this. Shoot. Oh, go check this out! This is what they call the prehistoric T-ball.
Home run!
Carl! What did I tell you about the doobies?
Guys, the wildebeest detamed itself. I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.